Hey guys, I think I bricked my momentum on my channel. I'm going to explain why I think this happened, and just wondering at the end of the video if you guys can leave some comments if this happened to you as well. So a couple days ago, I created a video that was YouTube's Easy Money, What You're Not Being Told. And that video just took off. It did very well. And along with another one, I did a gum oil video of a workshop that Linda and I attended here in Bali. And those two were neck and neck, doing really well. And so I thought, well, my momentum's going. I'm going to upload another video because that's what you do, right? Wrong answer. It's actually probably the worst thing that I could have done. So I created a video. I've been wanting to do one of the bull jumping ceremony that we witnessed when we were in Ethiopia. And I'm just going to have you go through. I'm going to show you the analytics here real quick. And you can see the exact hour when I uploaded that video, and everything just died completely. So if you go over here, if you look, things were going really well, 38, 39, 43 views. This is when I uploaded that new video, and the next hour, 3 views, 2, 5, 9, and it didn't do very well at all. So my channel just completely died, and I'm like, oh man, what the heck is going on? And the only thing I can think of is, with that momentum that you have going, I think you have to leave it and just let it kind of die naturally. I know YouTube will put your videos out there, kind of test, see how they're doing, and mine obviously did pretty well for my small channel. And you can see I only have 2,621 subscribers. But I got a lot of comments, a lot of interaction on those videos, on both actually, and then nothing. And so I had one other thought too, and so I want to kind of show you, if we go over to my channel and start looking at some of the views. So let's, for example, in Niagatone, we have 1,400 views. We got the Omo Valley, 450 views, which that thing should be 10,000, by the way. That's a cool video. You guys got to watch it. My photo sighting, 154, but then get to the Banna Boys, only 61, and then 435 for this Surrey interview. But the one thing is really a common thread here. If you look, see the CC, closed caption. This is where I actually created closed caption files for those videos. In fact, if you look at the Easy Money one, there we go, 1K 775 for the gum oil, the Surrey wife, the interview with Naraset. Again, closed caption, closed caption, closed caption. And these other 3 did not have closed caption. I just uploaded the closed caption file for the bull jumping ceremony. I just did that about an hour ago. And so when you see this video, it's actually going to be a couple days later. So we'll kind of see how that worked out. So when you look at the numbers, you can kind of gauge how well that worked. So currently, if you just go into content here, I've got 21 views on that bull jumping ritual video. And so we'll have to see what happens there. But I just want you guys to kind of know that perhaps you got to be a little cautious on how often you upload. And I just feel like I broke that momentum. I mean, obviously I did, because something's not working. And so I'll give you guys an update, and hopefully it'll change. And I'll upload this video, like I said, about a couple days after today, just to kind of give it some time to kind of marinate a little bit in the YouTube system. So leave some comments below. Did you guys have this happen to you? Do you think closed captioning really works? Oh, well, another thing I want to talk about too, sorry. One of the reasons I like to use a closed captioning file too, and no tags, is because YouTube will look at that file and they'll kind of determine who to throw that out to. And my thought is, if you put tags in, which I've not been doing tags recently, it'll kind of put you into like a little box, so to speak, and it will probably, perhaps, I don't know, but maybe it only throws the videos out to people that are interested in those keywords. So I think the closed captioning file will actually help kind of have YouTube look at that video. Oh, what's this all about? And then it'll push it out to probably more people. So that's just one of my thoughts too. Anyway, all right, guys, it's just a short video. I just want to get this off my chest, and frustrating, but it's all a learning process, and perhaps I'll just move forward on this. All right, thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.